I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the audio file, now make it usable for status. First, check format and trim to the portion you want because WhatsApp treats status like a short media post. Once done, open WhatsApp and ensure storage permissions are allowed so you can attach files. Make a quick decision. Will you use a still image, a short video, or convert audio into a video file? This matters because WhatsApp won't upload pure audio to status directly. You must pair it with visual media. You'll convert the audio into an MP4 so status accepts it. Start a basic video editor, create a 9:16 canvas for full-screen status presentation, and import either a photo or short looping clip as the visual layer. Then import the trimmed audio and align it so the clip duration matches the audio. Fade and slash out if needed to avoid abrupt cuts. Once aligned, export as MP4 at moderate bitrate to balance quality and upload. You're ready to post. Open WhatsApp status tab and tap the add icon, then choose the MP4 you exported. Preview it. If audio is out of sync, cancel and re-edit the clip. Otherwise, add a caption or stickers and tap send. Once uploaded, confirm it appears on your status and plays for contacts. If something goes wrong, try one troubleshooting tip. Switch to Wi-Fi, compress the MP4 slightly, or restart WhatsApp and reupload. These steps fix most upload or playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.